the principal now is going to talk. Okay, so let him talk.
Here's our steam locomotive.
Okay, class.
It's an old-time train from the Old West, carrying people and supplies. Here comes our modern Union Pacific diesel locomotive.
Great job.
He's going across our high bridge. Here's our high bridge.
Okay, now we are going to have another grown-up come up. Okay?
Got some campers down here with their Subaru and their North Face jackets. They're camping down by the train.
Raise your hand.
We got the San Francisco Peaks above Flagstaff, Mount Humphreys. Still got a little touch-up to do on the sky. Gonna put some snow up there, trees. Pretty much not a lot of the landscape is done yet. Oh look, a Ninja Turtle made an appearance. Got some Legos going on.
Because it's a fun pool.
Somewhere we got a guy in it. Oh, here's the guy that's jeeping.
Because
We got a Lego roller coaster.
they
What do we got going over here? Oh, we got a building out of Jenga blocks.
it's school.
School? Ah, oh, look at all the people in the school.
Those are little kids and grown-ups.
Very nice. Over here we got
The reason why they're going
some trolls.
is because
Oh, we missed the diorama. Here's the diorama.
amazing.
That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got over here. We got... Oh, there we go. That's our solar and wind generator house.
Okay, class, line up. Okay,
Little
all grown-ups.
solar power.
First, we are going to destroy
Yeah.
it. Okay?
Here comes one of our trains. Whole bunch of other Lego paraphernalia going on. I believe we've contracted to build a Ferris wheel, but so far I haven't seen much work on the Ferris wheel. Here's some Old West stuff. This is a cardstock building. You print them out, a couple sheets of cardstock, glue them together. Pretty nifty for 49 cents. Another cardstock building. Oh, there's my dog.
Hey, everybody, line up. We are going on a field trip. With
And let's see what else we got here.
Let's go.
We got different perspective on the mountains. Oh, there goes our trains.
All right, class. This is
Here's our controls.
field trip place. Does anybody know what this?
Probably gonna have one more track, but we haven't
I do.
got that set up yet. Oh, the crossing! There it is!
This place is a
Running pretty good.
solar panel house.
It's always tough to get the
Great
kinks
job. When we get back,
out of the
I'll
track.
flip you.
But
Okay. So
we still got some tweaking to do, but everything's running pretty good. These two trains run this direction on these two tracks pretty well. If we run other locomotives and we go opposite directions, it's not so nice. This tunnel here actually goes into a closet,
What did you see in there?
and eventually that's going to be some sort of portion of the train. So far we don't have that figured out.
Switch.
There's that guy.
Wires. Anything else?
These tunnels aren't anything fancy.
Is that boring? No.
Just some foam and plaster
Yeah,
painted.
you built this place.
We'll touch them up and try to make them more realistic as we go.
This
But for now, they're alright. Oh, we got a double. A double.
wow.
That's cool.
Double click up. Okay.
Bridge is working good. Another bridge down over there.
Is this snowman?
It's a little guy. The inside track down there is not very realistic, but it works. He just kind of goes down and curves slightly steeper. Here he goes. Watch this.
Yes. You are correct.
Trains cannot go the other way. That is not a realistic grade, but
Switch it.
well, that's about it. Got this whole thing set up in our downstairs.
Oh, sorry, sweetie, but only for me.
So we built, trying to make it look as nice as possible. There's a little more trim is going to go on here. We don't have the actual construction done.
Yep. Find the ladder.
But that, next to our piano, got a old time radio there. Bluetooth, I threw Bluetooth in it. Here's this is an old ice box that I'm using to store cars in. Probably keep that as train storage. Got some old, these are some old locomotives.
Daddy, I lost my favorite.
There's one, here's another one. That guy's missing a couple parts. Those were used off eBay. They do run, but they need help. There's a Burlington Northern diesel. He runs okay. This is my first, the Santa Fe I got when I was about 5 years old. It does still run, but she's pretty tired. Got a Duluth Wasabi Iron Range caboose. Old clock. Hey, there's me. There. Rest of the downstairs. Wood stove. TV. Crap. Made a little diorama myself. Kate and I were making dioramas this afternoon, so here's mine. Little cabin. He's got a solar panel. He used to have a windmill, but I didn't like his windmill, so I ripped it off. That's his Arizona cabin next to the Colorado, the mighty Colorado. And actually, he's even in there in the bed, sleeping. And if you look inside, he's also got a little table with a lantern on it. Except for the tree, that is nothing but 3 sheets of cardstock. Kind of a fun view. Pretty realistic right there. It's pretty much what Monument Valley looks like. Down in Arizona, Utah border. That's it. That's the train setup. That's all she wrote.